Frogs are amphibians that have a fascinating life cycle. They undergo a process called metamorphosis, which involves a series of physical changes as they grow from a tadpole into an adult frog. The life cycle of a frog begins when a female frog lays her eggs in water. The eggs hatch into tadpoles, which are aquatic and breathe through gills. Tadpoles feed on algae and other small organisms in the water and grow rapidly over the course of several weeks. As the tadpoles grow, they begin to develop legs and lungs. They also lose the gills and develop the ability to breathe air. This marks the beginning of the metamorphosis process. Over the next few weeks, the tadpoles continue to undergo physical changes. Their tails shrink and eventually disappear, while their legs and lungs continue to develop. The tadpoles also develop a digestive system that is better suited for a carnivorous diet. Once the metamorphosis process is complete, the tadpoles have transformed into adult frogs. Adult frogs are terrestrial and breathe through their lungs. They are also able to move quickly on land and catch insects with their long, sticky tongues. Overall, the life cycle of a frog is a remarkable process that involves a series of physical changes as the animal grows from a tadpole into an adult frog.